with this development and this thing happening, sa inyo pong panig, ma'am, meron bang, sorry ma'am ha, I just have to ask this, do you intend o na makipag-ugnayan sa PNP to to really thresh out itong sinasabi niyo na maaari pagkukulang ng pambansang pulisya with the secretary perhaps na para hindi nito maulit pa?
We were with General Marbil yesterday, no? And we really expressed our disgust to him.
Mhm.
Nasa forum siya kahapon. Kaso, siyempre, it was a breach of protocol. Na after he talked, I approached him. Sabi ko, sir, hindi po ba kayo na-brief ng inyong sariling staff na na-clear naman na nila yung dalawa? What is Jean Fajardo now doing? Kasi while our forum is going on, Jean Fajardo is giving a press con and saying na isa na ngayon, they are still corroborating. Kasi iba yung spokesperson magsabi, we are still corroborating at maaaring gano'n, maaaring ganyan. Iba yon, iba pa rin yung na-clear na.
Opo.
Sinabi ko, breach of protocol, I asked General Marbil, pwede po bang bumalik kayo sa podium? This is 500 guests ang nandoon. Sabihin na ninyo. Pero syempre, hindi niya magawa dahil wala naman siyang hawak galing sa kanyang mga tauhan na sinasabing na-clear na nila, no? But as of yesterday, the family met with all of them. Magandang nangyari, magkakasama na sila, CIDG, AKG, and Chief PNP. So hindi na sila at cross purposes. Nakakalungkot, 32 years na kami, never nangyari sa amin yung ganyan napakalaking snafu.